This tutorial will walk you through how to use up your fabric scraps by using them to make a pillowcase. So download the pattern by following the link in the description below and follow along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to arrange your fabric scraps for the pillow. Lay out your fabric scraps by organizing them into a collage. You want to be sure that the scrap collage is big enough for your pillow pattern to fit, but it's okay if it's like bigger than the pattern at this point. Now you want to, one by one, sew your scraps together. I will usually start by sewing the smaller chunks together into larger pieces, and then sewing those larger chunks together. After all of your scraps are sewn together, you want to cut out your pattern. Place your pillow pattern on top of the scrap layout and cut it out. This is one side of your pillow. Now you want to repeat that same process for the second side of the pillow. After you have two pillow faces, you want to sew the front and the back of the pillow together. With right sides together, sew along the top, bottom, and one side. You want to make sure you leave one side open. Now you want to fold over the open side of the pillow according to the dotted line. Sew this flap over on the inside to hem the pillow. Then turn the pillow to the right side. And that's it. You have already finished your scrappy pillowcase. You can use this with any standard size pillow.